Hello, my sugar plums. Welcome back to my channel. Happy 2020, guys, and thank you to all of you who have been subscribing to my channel. We have finally reached 1,000+ subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much, guys. You are awesome. Now, for this video, guys, I'm gonna be doing a clock. But this is part of a series that I'm gonna be doing because I'm making a small guest room makeover. So we're gonna be building furniture from scratch. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into that tutorial right now. So what you're gonna be needing is gonna be like a plate or a charger, whatever you choose to call it. This I purchased for the holiday, but I never got to use it, so I'm gonna be using it right now. Right now it's in like a gold color, but we'll be spraying it silver later on. We also gonna be needing a clock because we're gonna need part of the clock to go on to make the clock. Is that make any sense? So we also will be using some mirror mosaic tile that I got from Amazon. It was very cheap, guys. The pack come with 2 boxes, and each boxes have like 2 different mirrored mosaic tile on it, and this is how big it is, and it was pretty cheap. I believe it was less than $15 for the whole thing. So I'll leave the link for you guys in the description box below. We're also gonna be using some crushed glass that I got from Michael's, but if you can't get it from Michael's, I'll be also leaving a link for you so you can get something similar from Amazon. Also, guys, I found those little mini dish at a dollar store, and they come with a 12 in the box, and it was like $1. It's pretty cheap, and it looks like very unique and nice. So I purchased like 2 boxes of it, but we only gonna be using 4 for the clock, so this is a great buy. We also be using some Mod Podge. I will also be using 2 different type of silver spray. I'm gonna use a metallic silver spray, and I'm gonna be using a glitter silver spray as well, just to give the whole thing a little shimmer on top of it. And also I'll be using some hot glue and some E6000, of course. Now the first thing we're gonna be doing is we're gonna go ahead and spray paint both the charger and the little mini dish, and now we're gonna let them dry. Now once they dry out, guys, this is what it's gonna be looking like. You can see you have a little bit of shimmer on top of it when you spray paint the silver. I love that silver spray because it's not very strong, but it just gives the whole thing a little bit of shimmer. Now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to go ahead and take some Mod Podge and apply it into the mini dish, and I'm going to go and add the crushed glass inside, and make sure that I'm going to spread the crushed glass all over the inside, evenly spread, so the whole thing's gonna be nice and level. And we'll leave the whole thing to dry out, and then once it dry out, we'll go over it with another coat of Mod Podge just to seal everything out. Now guys, thank you. I wanted to thank you so much while we're doing this. We have reached 1,000+ subscribers, and as you can see, guys, we are very happy with this. Thank you so very much. Now I'm gonna be making a series, guys, so make sure that you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified on all of future video, because this series is gonna be, it's gonna have probably like 6 or 7 different type of video, and we're gonna be making some video from cardboard, some tire video, and some wall decor. So everything's gonna be built from scratch, or some, you know, some of the furniture that I already have in that room, we're gonna be giving them a little bit of makeover. So make sure that you hit the bell icon to be notified on all of future videos, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. So now all I did is I removed the motor from the clock and the needle from the clock. This is what we're gonna be using. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my little hand drill, and I'm gonna find the center, and I'm gonna make a hole in the center just so we can place the little motor, you know, of the clock there. And I also gonna go ahead and use some of the numbers from the clock, except from the 12, the 3, the 6, and the 9th. We're gonna use those number, I'm gonna cut them down, and once I cut them down and I get them to the shape that I want, I'm gonna go ahead and use the mirror mosaic tile on top of them to make the numbers. So we're gonna go ahead and use one circular strip of mirror mosaic tile, and then we're gonna go ahead and make the numbers with the mosaic tile. And then once you place that in on top of the number itself, just cut any excess that you have on the side, and you make sure that you only see the mosaic tile. So we're gonna go ahead and do that for all the numbers. After we finish doing that, this is what the numbers are gonna be looking like. So they look like really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and create like a shape in the middle of the plate. So what I want to do is create like some type of like sunburst type of shape. First, I'm gonna use a mosaic tile to do a circle, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place my little mini dish into their right place, like we're supposed to have like the 12, the 3, the 6, and the 9. We're gonna glue that down, and then we're gonna glue the numbers in between them. And then after that, I'll finish creating the sunburst. I'm gonna let you watch this podcast. I'll be right back to show you the next step of the project. Okay guys, now all I'm doing is taking like a big acrylic gem, and I'm gonna go ahead and glue that in, at the very edge of each one of the little mini dish to give it a more neat and finished look. Now also get like a singular strip of mosaic tile, mirror mosaic tile, and I'm gonna go ahead and first I'm gonna wrap it around the big gem just to hide any imperfection. We don't want to have the glue showing, and also to give it a different look. And then also with the singular strip of mosaic tile, we're gonna go ahead and place it and glue it at the edge of the mini dish. All around it, we're gonna wrap it all around it, just because when the clock is hang on the wall, we don't want anybody to be looking at the bottom of the mini dish. All you will be seeing is like the mosaic tile. So this is gonna give it a very unique and finish look. So we're gonna go ahead and be doing that. Once we finish adding the mosaic tile on the little mini dish, you're gonna have everything looking neat on this side. Now I'm gonna go ahead, because we have silver and mirror and everything is so bright and shiny, so it will be kind of hard for you to see the numbers on the clock if you don't place like something around it to give it like a shadow almost. So I'm gonna be using like a singular strip of black diamond wrap, and I'm gonna wrap all the numbers with that diamond wrap, and we're gonna go ahead and be doing that. And then after that, all I'm gonna be doing is take like a same type of it's almost like a teardrop gem. It's black also, and then we'll be placing it in the center of the sunburst to finish the sunburst, and I'll be placing one of them in each of the little mini dish, just to define the numbers that's gonna be there, because you don't have the 12, the 3, the 6, and the 9. So this gonna create like the numbers itself, if I make any sense anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and glue the whole thing, and then after that we'll be right back to show you the next step. Okay guys, now the clock itself is completely done. Now what I'm doing right now, I'm cutting some cardboard, like some strip of cardboard, and I'm gonna cut them to smaller size, because I have the motor of the clock on the back, and because I want the clock to lay flat on the wall. So we're gonna go ahead and match the height of the motor. So all I'm doing right now is I'm gonna go ahead and glue those little pieces of cardboard together until we match the exact height of the mirror on the back, so that way when you hang it, it's gonna lay flat. It's not gonna, you know, jiggle and any type like this. It's not gonna move, so it's gonna balance itself out. So right now I'm showing you guys, you see that I have cut a little opening in the cardboard. It's just because I'm gonna be using the hook I wanted to sink inside the cardboard, because again I wanted to lay flat on the wall. So all I'm doing right now is cut any excess, you know, to clean that little part a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint that thing, the little cardboard pile black, just to match the back of the mirror. Now I'm showing you, I'm putting the hook and I'm pressing it inside the little opening, and all I'm gonna be doing is turn my mirror, I keep saying mirror because it looks like a mirror, right? I'm gonna turn my clock on the back, and then I'm gonna glue that on the back of the clock. And make sure when you glue in that part, guys, you glue it in the right position, which means you have to place it with the 12 on top, so that way you don't go ahead and, you know, waste your time. Okay guys, now the clock is completely done. It's very beautiful. I think it's unique. The shape, you have the little mini dish shape on top of it, it give it a very, very unique look. Now because it's very bright, guys, it's like very shiny, we're gonna make sure that the room is toned down in color, because we want both sex to be using it, so we don't want to go overly like bling out or, you know, girlish stuff like this, although I love that. But this is what the clock look like. I'm just placing it on a random wall in the house just so you can see, but again I'm gonna be showing you the whole before and after picture for the room at the end of the last video that we're gonna be making, which is gonna be probably the 6 or 7 video. I'm gonna try to make all those the room makeover videos by the end of this month, which is we are very crunch time. So yeah, that's it guys. So this is it for this DIY today, guys. Thank you so very much for all your love and support. Thank you very much for all of you having subscribed to my channel. And that being said, guys, if you haven't done so, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and click on the all, so that way you will be notified on all of new upload, guys. And if you like this video, don't forget to go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and also leave me a comment. I love to read your comment and reply to you guys. Thank you so very much, and I hope this year bring you many good things. So at the end of the video, guys, again I'm showing you right now, I also leave like some picture for you guys, and that's it. I'll be seeing you on the next video, and as always, guys, be blessed and stay blessed. I love you so very much. Bye. I'll see you next time. Mwah. Bye bye.